Today we're talking about restoring trust in yourself. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay to the end for our motivational quote. I am trustworthy. I can trust my judgment. I keep my promises. People see my reliability. Every day, I trust myself more. Today, I believe in myself. I am reliable. I always follow through. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please be sure to comment below. Thanks for watching, and come back again tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.